When starting a beam, I'll load the cycle, start it, and wait for it to load. And once the hand robot goes off, it'll tell you where to put your rotators. So 115 and 200. You set your rotators to the right positions, and then you load your beam. Once you get your rotator set, you can set your beam, line it up in between the two lasers. After you get it in right, it'll give you a check mark and you're ready to start. You reset your light curtain, press the green button to start. They'll ask you for what parts you need and then you'll get your parts ready. Then you lay your parts on the table, give them enough space. And then you'll come back to your computer, reset your light curtain, and then press the green button and it'll scan the table. And just let it do its thing. So with learning this robot, it's pretty simple. Someone from Voortman came and taught me how to do everything, and then after about 2 weeks, I got the machine down pretty well, and now I'm running it all by myself. So.
Have you worked on other machines?
No.
No?
No.
Only this machine?
Yeah.